Here's how to use Seal Spray Foam Green Foam, the eco-friendly, high-performance, and safe-to-apply gap and crack filler. Here's what you'll need: eye protection, adhesive repellent gloves, respirator in some cases, included disposable gun or a professional gun applicator. For overhead applications, use our special angled gun, gun foam cleaner or other acetone spray. And here's how to use it. Clean surfaces of any loose particles and oil stains. Shake the can vigorously for 20 to 30 seconds. Hold the can upright and attach the gun like this. Open the control knob, turn the can upside down, and apply. Apply foam in a controlled, continuous bead. Adjust foam output with the regulator knob on the gun or by modulating pressure on the disposable gun. Wipe the gun tip after each application. When you are finished spraying, clean any excess uncured foam with gun foam cleaner or acetone. And that's it! You're done! The innovative, flexible, eco-friendly gap and crack filler that's dense and forgiving during application, and provides high thermal and acoustic value. Seal Spray Foam Green Foam. Just another smart solution from the Seal Spray Foam family of products that helps you seal the deal.